In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the editing workspace in HeyGen. We'll walk through the core panels you'll use on a typical project so you know exactly where to find avatars, creative tools, media assets, design elements, music, and captions. Follow along and you'll be comfortable navigating the workspace in just a few minutes. First, open HeyGen in your browser and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and select Avatar. This area is your starting point for working with digital presenters. It's where you can browse the avatars available to your account and get familiar with how they'll appear in your videos. Think of it as your library of on-camera hosts. Next, move into AI Studio, which is the central editing workspace. This is where your canvas, preview, and side panels live. The layout is designed to keep your creative tools close by while giving you a clear view of your video as you build it. If you ever feel lost, remember, AI Studio is the hub where all editing happens. Inside AI Studio, look to the right-hand side and open the Avatar panel. Here you'll choose the presenter that delivers your script on screen. You can audition different looks and select the one that best fits your brand or message. A quick tip, pick an avatar early so you can design your scene, framing, and text layout around the presenter's position. Now open AI Tools. This panel gathers smart features that help you generate, refine, or adapt content without leaving the editor. Use it when you want to speed up repetitive work or get helpful automation for tasks that normally take extra time. It's a great place to explore when you need efficiencies while staying inside the same project view. Next, click Media. This is your asset library inside the project, where you organize and access images, video clips, and other files you plan to place on the canvas. Keeping media labeled and consistent in resolution will make your edits smoother and your final video look more polished. Open Elements to add visual building blocks like shapes, text boxes, and overlays. These are your design accents for emphasis, branding, or structure. Simple, consistent styling goes a long way, so match colors and spacing to create a cohesive look. Head to Music to browse and add background tracks. Choose a tone that supports your message, and keep music levels low enough so the voice remains clear and natural. Finally, open Captions. Here you can enable subtitles, adjust styling, and improve accessibility. Clean, readable captions help viewers follow along anywhere, even with the sound off. That's your guided tour of the HeyGen editing workspace. With these panels in mind, you'll build faster, stay organized, and produce more professional results.